Shanghai vegetable rice is a local favorite during the winter when bok choy is in season. Traditional preparation use a little bit of salted pork and a lot of vegetable. When it's well prepared, it is light yet rich in flavor. The rice is crisp without being mushy, and bok choy shines in color. There are 3 tricks to make a perfect bowl. First is to pick the ingredients. Best time for bok choy is in winter. The shorter and wider of the white part of the bok choy, the better of the flavor. And you shouldn't be stingy and use a lot of it. And it's also best to use round grain rice that is fresh of the year. Late autumn is the best time for rice shopping. Salted pork can be found in the Chinese supermarket, but you can also use bacon or your favorite sausage. Now for flavoring, which is mainly the salt and also some rice wine. I personally prefer Miren, which is a Japanese rice wine with a touch of the sweetness, which gives a good balance to the salted meat. Now let's prepare the pork and the rice. And if you want to keep it vegetarian, you can skip the meat. Dice the pork into small pieces and then soak it into the rice wine for about 20 minutes. Next, and the second most important trick is how to cook the rice. You need to use less water than normal, so the grain can absorb the baicai flavor and the juice, and also preserve the definition of each grain. And cook the meat and the rice together will also improve the flavor of the rice. Next step is to cook the bok choy. First, split off each leaf and cut the core in half vertically. This way you can clean them thoroughly and then drain them to dry. Then, slice the leaf and the core separately since they cook faster than the white base. Preheat a large pan or a wok on medium-high. Then add about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then add the stern first and stir about 10 seconds. Then cover for 2 minutes. Then add the chopped leaf and do the same again. Then add some rice wine and cover for the 3rd time for about 2 minutes. And now we are almost done. Now add some salt for flavor and mix them evenly. Then immediately turn off the heat. This is the 3rd important trick. Now the rice should be done as well, and let's do the final step. Loosen the rice by stirring it gently. Then add it into the cooked bok choy and gently mix them evenly. While mixing, the juice from the bok choy should be absorbed into the rice if it's cooked properly. Then cover and wait for 1 more minute for the flavor to settle. Using the residual heat to mix and finish this dish will preserve the color and texture of the bok choy and yet give a light and a flavorful taste. I hope you will try and enjoy this healthy yet flavorful bowl of Shanghai vegetable rice.